Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this Motorola Razr I picked up on eBay. That's got the deep scratch in the screen. It has no power, so let's go and get onto it. We got the Note 10 set up. We're going to do the backdrop. It's kind of windy out. It's really cold out, guys. We're going to do the backdrop from waist height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. You can see where it hit up here on this top little notch up here. You see some indentation in the plastic on both sides. Maybe some down here at the bottom. Nothing too bad though. It's actually doing pretty good. I think this is like a Kevlar back or something they said. Waist height in 3, 2, 1. And that was a side drop. Right there. I am recording with the S10e now. It did pretty good. Let's go ahead and do the face down. Now it's probably going to be compromised due to the scratch on it, so hopefully it survives. Waist height in 3, 2, 1. I'm going to guess that cracked it. Yep. Look at that. We're going to go and continue on though. Let's go and do the backdrop from head height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Doesn't look like it took any extra marks or any damage. Maybe right here by the SIM card flap, maybe. Oh, it definitely took some right there, I think. Maybe hit more on the corner like that. Let's go ahead and do the corner drop. In 3, 2, 1. I think that landed more on the back, but we're going to go ahead and count it. It looks like it did crack more down here at the bottom now. Yeah, kind of hit right here. Come on, camera. There we go. Kind of right there. Not too bad, though. Let's go ahead and do the face down, which is already pretty useless, but, you know, we'll see. In 3, 2, 1. That was a straight face down. Yeah, now it's really shattered. Like I said, it had no power to begin with, so it was kind of pointless. Let's go ahead and adjust this up a little bit. How you guys think it's going to do on the throw drop? Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so the wind took it over this way, naturally. Looks like it might have hit right there a little bit. Not bad, but I hope you guys enjoyed the drop test, and stay tuned for the next one.